Welcome back. This is Christine Zeitler with the Olean Public Library, and today we're going to be learning how to do Rya knots on your tapestry loom. This is a fun and easy way to create fringe. While I'm doing this at the start of my tapestry, you can do it in the middle or anywhere you want to add texture. Start by cutting a few pieces of yarn twice as long as you want your fringe to be. I used 2 threads at a time. I created my knots so that the finished side is facing the loom. I like to have my tapestry be a bit of a surprise, so my finished side is facing the loom. I put my weft under 2 of the warp threads so that they are approximately even. Remember, on the ends, the first and the last 2 warps are treated as one. Next, I wrap the ends of the weft down through the center of my 2 warp threads. This wraps each of the 2 warps from the outside in. I then tug gently to seat the knot where I want it to be. If you want the side of your tapestry facing you to be your finished side, then place the weft yarn on top of the 2 warp threads. Run the ends around the outside of each warp and up through the middle. Again, tug gently until the knot is where you want it. Keep doing this until you have as many knots as you want across your tapestry. If they are slightly loose, do not worry too much. As you pack weft on top, they will tighten down. You can use this at both ends of your tapestry if you are planning on using this as a placemat or a coaster to create fringe and hide your ends. Trimming the ends is completely optional. I would love to see your progress on our Facebook page along with any questions.